I've never contracted for a new build or anything like that. But I did hear some horror stories this last year as the market was just shooting up. And, it takes a builder 4 to 6 months to get a house up. And then some horror stories of
No, they don't. It takes a year.
It takes about 9 to 12 these days.
What do I know? I remember that from a kid when my parents built a house. I thought it was 6 months, so I just say
6 months would be nice, wouldn't it?
Hey, but you know what's good about this is that you're getting a perspective of somebody that's not in the business of what the concept or what their perception is.
Yeah.
So it's good that you're doing this.
Yeah, exactly. This helps our audience
Yeah.
and me. But from a legal perspective, people would heard stories of putting deposit down, fixed price, then the builder would jack both up and basically say, hey, you want to go sue, be my guest, that type of situation. How do you guys handle that with the fact there is a delay between construction and when you finish and the market?
You set them up for success from the get-go, Joe. So you have the conversations of, hey, based on where we're at in the market, based on material shortages and labor shortages, it's going to be roughly a 9 to 12 month build process. You got to be fluid and flowy with that build process. When they go to contract with us, at least at Pulte Homes, we lock in base price, we lock in their lot premium, we lock in their structural components. When they go to the design center and they finalize at the design center for some of those extra options or those inspirational options they want,
Right, there's the key.
they then lock in that price at that time. So the consumer is set up for success. Our home buyers are set up for success from the get-go with the process and their expectations.
So
And I assume you guys honor your end of the. That's what I was trying to say.
Dude, they're a nationally ranked builder, like number 3.
And that's what I was trying to get out.
Of course they do. They're not going to.
Because I was letting the audience know that that's not the case with every builder.
If you have cases like that, for the most part, it's smaller builders.
Yes, but they have this attitude that you put when what you put in, the value went way up, and they basically don't. I mean, they basically admit that they're in breach of their contract, but they know, what are you going to do? You're going to cough up $50,000 to go to court, or you're going to cough up 10 extra for a deposit, and that is going on. So be wary when you do. Make sure you have a good builder, like Pulte.
Where's it been going on? I haven't heard of that at all.
I've had people call me.
And you're talking with
Really?
Yes.
With national builders?
No.
Well, there you go.
That's the whole point I'm trying to make.
I think
That's what I said. I said it was smaller builders no one's ever heard of. You go, well.
I think that
Oh
is
no,
Joe's
I
point.
wasn't saying
Oh,
that.
okay.
I was just
Okay.
saying when you're selecting a builder, make sure that you do have that.
That's all the more reason to use
foundation
someone
correct.
like Pulte Homes.
Well, and 100%, and be educated. When you walk through the doors, make sure that you're with a sales consultant that's educating you on the process. That's
Right.
going through that process
Right.
very transparently.
That was the only
with
point
you.
I was making. Like, just don't assume just because they have a license or even claim to have a license that you're gonna, and you don't assume that even it's in writing that they're gonna honor it.